Hello, Bluebrad here. A quick tutorial on how to get this logo onto this tractor. So the first thing I'm going to do is I already imported this layer as a smart object into this artboard. So I'm going to go ahead and double click into there so I'm inside that actual artwork. I'm going to go ahead and crop this down. Actually, first I just realized it went back into JPEG. So let me cancel that because I just dragged and dropped it in here. So I'm going to make a new layer, select that, and layer, merge selection. Okay, merge visible. That's easier. And then turn back on that one. All right. Now with that, now what I'm going to do is convert that into a smart layer. Then I'm going to save this real quick, just so that way it's saved. Then I'll go into that layer. There we go. I'm going to crop it. Cancel. There we go. I'm going to crop it by hitting C. Then I'm going to bring it in from the sides, just so that way it's only in the logo area. I'm going to leave a little bit outside the area. Then I'm going to go ahead and come in here to selection, and I want to remove the background. It's not giving me that option here. Hitting the blank of where to do it in the menu so that way I can show you. The other way I do it too is select and then color range, deselect, select. Oh, what's going on here? There we go. That might be why I was having a little bit. I'm going to bring the fuzziness up a little bit more. Control I, oops, Control Shift I, sorry. Then I'm going to apply a mask layer so that it removes the background. Then I'm going to close this layer. Now I'll have just the artwork. Now I can come back in, and if I see that there was a little bit of white still left behind, that's okay. For right now, we're just going to get it into place. Then the simple way would be just to hold down Control and grab these handles and position those handles into a distorted space. But what we can do is instead, why isn't it giving me that option? There we go. Hit the distort button, and this way, when I distort it, it's a little bit cleaner. That's not doing it still. Why isn't it doing what I wanted it to do? It should be snapping and giving me realization of what it should be. But that's one of the easiest and quickest ways to get it on there. There we go. Oh, there we go. Now Snap to Pixel is turned on. I'm going to hit done, and there it is. It's on the truck. And then I can come in here and check it. Okay, it's still a little bit too tall. And then because the image resolution was low, we can go to image, image size, or canvas size, sorry. And not canvas size, image size, image size. There we go. And then on this, I'm going to times it by 0.5. Oops, 1.5. So it'd scale it up by 50%. And there we go. I'm going to go ahead and save that to my desktop. And that's it.